Time in the universe, science meets the Qur'an. Modern physics says time is relative, space is curved, and even the universe is expanding. But if time itself is flexible, does that challenge religion? No, it actually confirms what Islam has always pointed out. Time is part of creation, it is not absolute, and it is not God. So what does that mean for humans living in it? It means we perceive time differently than God. Seconds, hours, and years are relative, but eternity belongs to Allah alone. Relativity still confuses me. How can seconds stretch or shrink? Imagine traveling near the speed of light. Your clock runs slower compared to someone at rest. That's not imagination, it's science. The Quran hinted at differences in the perception of time centuries ago. Wait, what do you mean? Allah says a day with Him can be like 1,000 years for us. That's relativity expressed in divine language long before modern physics. Yes, humans discovered it physically. Islam described it spiritually. Wow, that's mind-blowing. But why does this matter? Because it reminds us, we are limited observers. What seems fast or slow to us is measured against a divine reality. Science uncovers mechanics. Islam reveals meaning. Quran reference, Surah Al-Hajj, and they urge you to hasten the punishment. But Allah will never fail in His promise. And indeed, a day with your Lord is like 1,000 years of what you count. Time is not absolute. Even modern cosmology confirms, space and time began with the Big Bang. Time flows differently depending on speed and gravity. Our perception of past, present, and future is limited. Islam pointed to this difference between human perception and divine perception long before humans measured time scientifically. Hadith, the Prophet said, the first thing Allah created was the pen. He said, "Write," and it wrote everything that will happen until the day of judgment. This shows time and destiny are preordained, yet humans experience it linearly. Scientific reflection. Albert Einstein's relativity confirms time is not uniform. GPS satellites must account for time dilation. The Quran described the concept of different timescales for God versus humans centuries ago. Even when humans measure minutes and centuries, Allah's time is infinite and beyond human understanding. Imagine watching a tree grow over centuries. To the tree, seconds matter little. To humans, decades pass. To God, the entire creation exists simultaneously. This is the difference between physical observation and divine reality. Science answers how time works. Islam explains why time exists and why humans are limited in perceiving it. If this logic made you think, share it, because understanding time helps us see our place in the universe. If you have any questions about time, relativity, or divine perception, comment below, and we will try to make a video explaining it.